Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20e, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap on this icon, and now you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And just to remove or to log out from one from these accounts, tap here to manage accounts on this device. You'll enter into the settings, account settings, and just tap here to accounts, go to the Google, and here, as can you see, we got these to our Gmail accounts. And for example, just to log out from the second one, tap once on this account, and here you will see the remove icon. Just tap here once on the icon and confirm your just action by tap again here to remove. And as can you see, we just stay right now only with one account, and now we'll just go back to the Gmail application to check. And as can you see, we just stay here really only with one account. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.